I am very pleased to say that as of December 4th, we have unanimous board approval for this new mission statement. We had rounds of interaction with the board, faculty members, and staff members, and we even had input from you as students. And I just want to tell you that the mission is really important because everything that you do as an institution grows out of the mission. As an institution of biblical higher education, Ecclesia College equips Christ followers with godly character traits, academic competencies, and work skills to be effective leaders in our troubled world. We're an institution of biblical higher education. What does that mean? Well, we are accredited by the Association for Biblical Higher Education. That's an agency that has recognition by all the authorities over accrediting agencies, the U.S. Department of Education, the Council for Higher Education Accreditation. To be an institution of biblical higher education, you have to provide students Bible regardless of what other major they take. The truth is, the Bible tells us a lot of things that we can't know any other way. So, if you want to be successful in life, the Bible is the place to start. Now, the next part of that, we're equipping Christ's followers. One of the things that is a big deal with me is that God loved me so much that Jesus gave up the glories of heaven, humbled himself, came to earth, and died on the cross for me. That's the kind of love he had for you. That matters to me. And so because he did that for me, I want to acknowledge his authority over my life. I want to live and please him because of what he did for me, a sacrifice I can't even begin to comprehend. So we're trying to develop in each of you godly character traits. Are you all acquainted with the fruits of the Spirit? If you're a true follower of Christ, do those characteristics characterize your life? If we're Christ followers, we should exhibit some of the characteristics of Christ. He humbled himself, and he did things for you because of love that cost him a lot. It was sacrificial love. So if we are displaying those godly character traits, those are some of the things that we should exhibit. Now, academic competencies. And 2 Peter 1:5 gives us a whole list of traits that should surround our academics. Add to your faith moral character, and then to moral character, knowledge. We start with God and then academics. You are all going to rely on your academic abilities for your living as you go forward. And so academic success, competencies are very important. And then work skills. Learning to show up on time, to be diligent, have a pride of workmanship, and learn how to be efficient, how to be productive. When you get out in the real world, if you're not productive, you don't last long. This is the kind of world we're trying to prepare you for. Effective leaders. We're trying to prepare you to be leaders in whatever setting you find yourself. Leaders have influence. And we think we're giving you the tools to be a person of influence, but you got to take it seriously if you want to truly be a person of influence. Finally, our goal is that you will be people of influence to advance Christ's kingdom. We are trying to impact our culture in the way that Christ impacted the culture. And we need to have that same transformative effect. You're going out into a world where we need to win people to Christ quickly, because I believe the time for Christ's return is rapidly coming to hand. So you need to be people of influence who will transform our world. With that, thank you very much.